Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn the difference between the subject and the object. In English, most sentences often have a subject and an object. Let's talk about the subject first. What is a subject? The subject is the doer of the sentence, that is, the person, animal, or thing performing the action. To find it, just ask who is doing it. In simple words, subject is जो काम कर रहा है या जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है. Examples: Ria ate a mango. यहाँ रिया के बारे में बात हो रही है. So, Ria is a subject. The old man climbed the mountain. The old man is the subject. My mother's sister won the lottery. My mother's sister is the subject. Now, there is a simple two-step trick to find the subject. First, find the verb in the sentence. Second, ask who or what before the verb. The answer is equal to subject. Like in the above example, who won the lottery? The answer is my mother's sister. So that's the subject. अब ये तो simple sentences थे. Let's see little tricky sentences. The tall boy sitting in the front row answered every question. अब इसमें हमें confusion create होता है कि boy subject है और the tall boy और the tall boy sitting in the front row ये subject है. Let's find the answer using the trick we have learned. First, find the verb in the sentence, that is answered. अब question हम पूछेंगे verb से who answered every question. अगर हम boy बोले तो सवाल उठेगा कौन सा boy. इसलिए पूरा phrase the tall boy sitting in the front row मिलके एक कंप्लीट सब्जेक्ट बनता है. अकेला बॉय इनकम्प्लीट है. पूरा फेस मिला के बताता है एग्जैक्टली कौन. सो द टॉल बॉय सिटिंग इन द फ्रंट रो इज द सब्जेक्ट. द टॉल डार्क एंड हैंडसम एक्टर won the award. To find the subject, let's find first the verb here, which is won, and put the question to the verb, that is who won the award. The answer, that is the tall, dark and handsome actor, is our subject in the sentence. Let's identify subject in following sentences. Swimming every day keeps you healthy. Swimming is the subject. Riya and Arjun built a tree house. Riya and Arjun are the subject here. The bag of apples on the table belongs to me. Just ask the question, what belongs to me? The answer, the bag of apples, is the subject. To become a pilot requires years of training. Just ask the question, what requires years of training? The answer, to become a pilot, is the subject. What she said at the meeting shocked everyone. Just ask the question, what shocked everyone? The answer comes, what she said at the meeting. This is our subject. Let's revise the concept we have learned so far. To find the subject in the sentence, first find the verb in the sentence, ask who or what before the verb, The answer is the subject. Let's now move on to understanding the object. Let's see a sentence first. Ram hits the ball. In the sentence, of course, the subject is Ram and the object is ball. But what is object? The thing that gets the action, that is the object. Object वो होता है जो action receive करता है. Object are of two types, direct object and indirect object. Direct object. Direct object is the thing or person that receives the action. In simpler words, जिस चीज़ पर action receive होता है, that is direct object. It is same as object. Let's see the trick to find the direct object. First, find the verb, then ask what or whom to the verb to find out the direct object of a sentence. The answer of what is a thing and whom is a person. Let's see the examples. She ate the cake. The verb is ate. Let's put question to the verb. She ate what? Answer is cake, which is our direct object here. The police arrested the thief. The verb is arrested. So our question is police arrested whom? The answer is thief, which is our direct object here. She bought a beautiful red dress from the market. The verb here is bought. Let's put question to the verb. Bought what? The answer is a beautiful red dress, which is our direct object. Let's now see indirect object. The person who receives the direct object. वो इंसान जिसको direct object मिला, that is indirect object. Trick to find indirect object, ask to whom or for whom after you find the direct object. Examples: Dad bought me a cycle. Bought is a verb. Dad bought me what? The answer is cycle, which is a direct object. Now put question to direct object here. For whom? The answer is me. So me is indirect object. She gave a book to me. Let's find out the direct object first. And to find the direct object, let's find the verb first, which is gave. Let's put question to the verb. She gave what? The answer is book. So book, which is the direct object here. Let's put question to direct object, that is to whom? The answer is me, which is indirect object. He sent her a letter. Let's find the direct object first, and to find the direct object, let's find the verb first, which is sent. Let's put question to the verb. He sent what? The answer is letter, which is direct object. Now, to find indirect object, let's put question to direct object, that is to whom? The answer is her, which is indirect object. Let's revise. Subject is the one who does the action. To find subject, ask who what is doing the action. Direct object, the thing that receives the action. To find direct object, ask what or whom after the verb. Indirect object, the person who receives the direct object or benefits from the action. To find indirect object, ask to whom or for whom after finding the direct object. I hope you understood the concept of subject and object in this video. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.